Meanwhile, my colleague Anand Singh has filed ground reports from the site of the crash, where in seconds the tragic crash took place, and he has also spoken to the victims of the crash and the family members who are still in the state of mourning. We are trying to get some voices on the broadcast. Let's take a listen.
Currently, I am standing at the crash site of AI-171 Boeing 787 Dreamliner. So clearly, as you can see, the devastation that was caused yesterday over here, this is the same hostel building on which the AI-171 London-bound flight crashed. And in the visuals, I will ask my VJ to show you that how the debris, the burnt debris of the AI-171 flight is lying on the ground over here as it's completely engulfed as the massive fire that took place soon after the crash had destroyed everything. Even the building, which was earlier in white color, has now turned completely black due to the flames that emerged from the fire that erupted soon after the plane crashed over here. You can see several of the forensic experts over here as they are still trying to locate the black box and the flight data recorder, that's the FDR, to ascertain that what caused this tragic air accident in India, which is one of the India's worst air disaster in decades. So clearly they will try to ascertain, even as the government has launched a probe to ascertain that what went wrong with this AI-171 flight on Thursday afternoon, which was carrying 242 people with 165 Indians, 53 British citizens, 7 Portuguese and 1 Canadian citizens. So clearly the NDRF and SDRF and several other teams had carried out rescue operations here at this crash site since yesterday afternoon, and they have pulled out maximum bodies. Even when we spoke to several of the SDRF personnel over here, they explained that just behind the area of the cockpit of this Boeing Dreamliner, they found more than 40 bodies from the same place. So this clearly explains that how tragic and disastrous this air accident was on Thursday afternoon. So clearly the building has been vacated now. The crash site has been vacated. The forensic teams are over here. They are trying to find out, they are trying to locate the black box, which will ascertain the several of the facts, as these planes, the Boeing Dreamliner is one of the most advanced plane, and each and every details gets recorded in those black box. So it will help the investigators to find out the real cause of this air disaster. Even the NDRF personnel, they are still coming. They are trying to locate few of the bodies, and I will ask my VJ to show you that several of the NDRF personnel are still coming in, and they are going inside this building, and they will be trying to remove the debris from there, and they will try to find out, help the forensic experts over here to locate the FDR as well as the black box of this Boeing Dreamliner. Even the Boeing issued a statement, and it said that it is ready to cooperate with Indian authorities and Air India, and it's also ready to come and help it in the probe to ascertain that why this 12-year-old flight went down just within a minute after taking off from the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Airport in Ahmedabad. So clearly several of the people have died, and many of the families members of those people have now arrived at civil hospital over here in Ahmedabad, and they are trying to ascertain the identities of their near and dear ones, their loved ones whom they lost in this tragic air accident. With Vijay Ankush Sharma, Anand Singh, News X, Ahmedabad.